Welcome to the StatTree video module for the Mann-Whitney U Test. To test whether there are differences between two groups on some ordinal variable, the Mann-Whitney U Test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the independent samples t-test, but for ordinal dependent variables. You will need one categorical variable and one ordinal variable with multiple ranks in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. The first question, requesting a ranking of favorite types of shows, would be appropriate for the ordinal variable for our demonstration. To run the Mann-Whitney U test for differences in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane, browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for all three ranks. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the p-values for each test. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in the research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with the reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.